For this project, I'm transforming an overlooked rooftop into an urban paradise. A place to escape, to unwind, to spend longer summer nights with friends. But right now, it looked like this. Untouched, unused, forgotten. That changes today. To bring this vision alive, I gathered everything I needed. Artificial grass, click-in tiles, 2 large planters, a free full outdoor sofa set, 18 bags of black pebbles and 6 tall bamboo plants. Total cost €940. So let's begin building. Step 1. Clearing the space. I'm starting to remove the overgrown weeds and clearing out the moss from the gutters, making sure rainwater can drain freely again. When all the materials arrive, I unbox everything and begin with the flooring. The click tiles go down first, laid out in the same pattern I envisioned in my design. Just this step alone already makes the space feel more inviting. Next, the sofa. No assembly needed, just place and relax. The green and black cushions blend perfectly with the artificial grass and the warm tone of the wooden tiles. You will see these cushions at the end of the video. Now the planters. I gave them a fresh coat of paint and weatherproofed them by sealing them. This first DIY isn't my toughest challenge, but if you want to see how far I've come, watch my first YouTube video. A year worth of projects in just seconds. Then I add an anthracite colored pebbles, chosen not just for the looks, but to allow water drainage while hiding the gutters beneath. These subtle details elevate the entire design. With the pebbles in place, it's time to bring in color. Fake bamboo plants, 3 per planter. The height, texture and movement in the wind completely transform the space. It finally feels alive. And finally, the cushions. The finishing touch to a rooftop that's no longer forgotten. And this is the end result. If you enjoyed this transformation and want to see more DIY projects like these, make sure to subscribe, because in the next episode I'm turning this chaotic shed into a fully functional workspace and storage area, including my very first attempt at plastering. And trust me, it was a challenge. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.